10 Warning Signs of Women's Health to be aware of. A woman's body is complex and sensitive, easily affected by various factors. Regularly monitoring your health and paying attention to any unusual signs is crucial to protecting yourself. Here are 10 warning signs of women's health you need to be aware of. 1. Irregular menstrual cycles. Changes in cycle periods arriving earlier, later, or irregularly compared to your typical cycle. Heavier or lighter bleeding. Experiencing a significant increase or decrease in menstrual flow from your usual cycle. 1. Irregular menstrual cycles. Severe menstrual cramps. Intense pain during your period that is more severe, lasts longer, or differs from previous periods. Bleeding between periods. Experiencing unexpected bleeding outside of your regular menstrual cycle. 1. Irregular menstrual cycles. Changes in your menstrual cycle can indicate various health issues such as hormonal imbalances, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, and more. 2. Pelvic pain. Lower pelvic pain. Feeling pain in the lower abdomen, potentially radiating to the back or hips. Pain during intercourse. Experiencing pain or discomfort during sexual activity. Pain while urinating or defecating. Feeling pain or discomfort when urinating or passing stool. 2. Pelvic pain. Pelvic pain can be a symptom of various conditions including pelvic inflammatory disease, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, urinary tract infections, and gastrointestinal disorders. 3. Abnormal vaginal bleeding. Postmenopausal bleeding. Experiencing any bleeding after menopause. Abnormal bleeding during menstrual cycle. Heavier bleeding than usual, bleeding irregularly between periods, or bleeding after sexual intercourse. 3. Abnormal vaginal bleeding. Abnormal vaginal bleeding can indicate various conditions such as uterine polyps, fibroids, cervical cancer, and infections. 4. Urinary problems. Frequent urination. Needing to urinate more often than usual. Painful urination. Experiencing pain or discomfort when urinating. Urinary incontinence. Difficulty urinating, urinary leakage, or loss of bladder control. Blood in urine. Observing blood in your urine. 4. Urinary problems. Urinary changes can be a sign of various conditions including urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and bladder cancer. 5. Digestive issues. Diarrhea or constipation. Alternating between diarrhea and constipation, or experiencing either persistently. Abdominal pain. Continuous or severe pain in the abdomen. Nausea or vomiting. Frequent nausea or vomiting. Unexplained weight loss. Sudden weight loss without any apparent reason. 5. Digestive issues. Digestive problems can indicate various conditions such as peptic ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and gastrointestinal cancers. 6. Unusual fatigue. Persistent fatigue. Feeling constantly tired and lacking energy. Sleep disturbances. Difficulty falling asleep, restless sleep, or waking frequently during the night. Feeling weak. Experiencing overall weakness, difficulty concentrating, and challenges performing daily tasks. 6. Unusual fatigue. Unusual fatigue can be a sign of various conditions such as anemia, hypothyroidism, depression, and cancer. 7. Skin changes. Acne. Increased breakouts, particularly on the face, chest, and back. Dry or oily skin. Excessive dryness or oiliness of the skin. Dark spots. Development of numerous dark spots or freckles. Hair loss. Experiencing more hair loss than usual. 7. Skin changes. Skin changes can be a sign of various conditions such as hormonal imbalances, dermatitis, skin cancer, and more. 8. Breast changes. Breast pain. Feeling pain or tenderness in your breasts. Swelling or lumps. Noticing swelling or lumps in your breasts. Nipple changes. Nipple inversion, unusual discharge. Breast changes can indicate various conditions such as fibrocystic breast disease, breast cysts, and breast cancer. 9. Food allergies. Allergic reactions. Experiencing allergic reactions to certain foods. Symptoms. Itching, swelling around the mouth and throat, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain. Anaphylaxis. In severe cases, allergies can lead to anaphylaxis, potentially fatal if not treated promptly. 9. Food allergies. Food allergies can occur with any food, but common allergy triggers include seafood, nuts, eggs, peanuts, and dairy. 10. Appendicitis, right lower abdominal pain, feeling pain in the right lower abdomen. Fever, experiencing mild or high fever. Nausea or vomiting, experiencing nausea or vomiting. Diarrhea or constipation, alternating between diarrhea and constipation. 10. Appendicitis. Appendicitis is a medical emergency that requires prompt treatment. If left untreated, the appendix can rupture, leading to sepsis and death. 10. Appendicitis. Remember, this information is for general guidance only. If you experience any unusual symptoms, consult your doctor for personalized advice and prompt diagnosis.